going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On the 84 Chevy this week, we're not going to have a video of the truck itself, but what I wanted to do is post a midweek video of everything that's going to go in the truck so you can see exactly what the build consists of. So we still have some parts coming in from Summit, still have some parts coming in from LMC Truck, but most of everything that's in the garage today is obviously going to go on the truck, but everything's almost here. The truck's offsite at my building. We'll do all the sandblasting and everything in the yard where the truck's at, and then I'll tow that here, and we'll have to park the 720 outside for a couple of weeks while we're getting the work done on the 84, but I think that's okay. But why don't I go ahead and show you everything that's going to go back in the truck, and then what I'll do is I'll either put a list at the very end of all the components that are going into it, or in the description I'll link all the websites that I purchased everything from. I'll even list the engine builder here in Tucson, and if you're ever watching this video and you're looking for an engine builder, this guy is fantastic. His name's Jack, and I'll put all that information in there. So give me a few minutes, I'll get set up, and then I'll walk around and I'll just point out every single thing that we have laid out here in the garage and show you what's going to go back in the truck. All right, guys, I'm going to start over here. We picked up this, I'm not sure you can see it, retro manufacturing motor for LMC Truck. And what this is, it's a Bluetooth retro looking radio. So if you go back and look at what came in the 84, and I think it was growing up, we had an 82 Chevy short bed, I believe. Reminds me a lot of what that was, but it's more of a modern radio and looks like it has that retro feel to it. Could have gone out and purchased just a cheap radio and plugged back in the truck, but I wanted to try to keep the inside as close to what it would have looked like in 84 as possible, because under the hood and everything else is not going to look like that. So it could have went the cheap route. Instead, we went out and picked up one of these. I want to say this thing was around 350, 400 bucks on LMC. But you can check out their website and see what it is. So over here we have all new badges. I'm not going to take all of them out, but you can see all the badges that'll go back on the truck. Interior dash badges as well. We have new visors going in. The interior is going to be black. We haven't 100% decided on what the exterior is. We're leaning to a blue. I'll try to post a picture of what we think is what I'm going to paint the truck on, but it's going to be a blue color. The interior and exterior will match, but we have new visors going in. These are the armrests that go in for the doors. You can kind of see where that's at. We have new headlight bezels here in that box over there. I'll show that to you in a minute. That's the seat. And over here is a few other items, carpet, noise dampening, things of that nature. And we also have the grill that's over there as well. But this is probably one of the things I'm most excited about, is we're taking the wiring harness out of the truck. I've said it a few times in the video. I wasn't expecting to do that, actually. I think if you've seen the first few videos, there was a lot of pack rats inside this truck. It sat for about 4 years, I guess, 3.5, 4 years. And it was full of pack rat nest, and every wire was chewed through. I mean, it was just a shit show inside of there. And so from LMC Truck, you can purchase, and I guess you can purchase it maybe from some other companies too. Classic Industries probably carries something. But we picked up a American Automotive wiring harness, complete wiring harness, by the way. Fuse box, wires, headlight switch. I mean, it's the complete harness. I think this was around $900, 890 bucks on LMC Truck. Comes with the complete wiring diagram, shows you exactly how to do it. We are going to do a video on this. It's just going to be a single video on this install here, but this is going to take us a few hours, I'm sure, maybe better part of a day to get it all together. But it comes complete, pretty self-explanatory, I believe. That's going to be a fun project when we get to that portion. All right, guys, we're not going to go back with a carburetor on the truck. We're going to go back with Phytech's electronic fuel injection system. This is rated up to 600 horsepower, which certainly meets the needs of what we're going to be putting into it, but that'll go in. We picked this up from Summit. It was a little bit cheaper than purchasing off of the Phytech website. We also have the new fuel pump that's going to go there. Over here we have Dakota gauges. So all new gauges are going to go back in, and we picked these up at Summit as well, but those will go in. This is the compressor for the new AC unit. I'm not going to open this up, but you can certainly you see the compressor. So it's just a natural finish. We didn't do anything with chrome or polish or anything like that. I didn't think the extra 50 or 100 bucks was worth it. Down here is the actual, so you can see this. Down here is the vintage air heat and AC system that will go back in the truck. This is a complete system. We pulled everything out. It comes completely packed. Like I said, you can pick this up from Vintage Air, and if I'm not mistaken, we picked ours up from Affordable Hot Rods. Like I said, there was a few parts that were missing to make a complete kit for us, and so Affordable Hot Rods actually had everything in stock. They actually shipped it within 1 hour of us placing the order, which was pretty cool. These, I'm not going to go into detail here, but if you've seen the videos, those are the new floor panels that are going to go in. We even picked up a new firewall pad that'll go on. We have headers that'll go on the truck versus manifolds, even down to the floor mats that are going to be in the truck. Even though the truck's not red, you know, we're going to go with Chevy red logo black floor mats. And all right, guys, this is the seat. It's just black leather. Picked it up from leather. Yeah, leather. Picked this up from LMC Truck as well. So that'll go in. We're also going to install a console. So it matches. Everything else over here. Carpet down there. This is the grill. All weather stripping going back in. Brand new dash pad. Dash pad's going to be black as well. All this back here is heat and noise dampening products. Even a new glove box here. So still got a few things left to come in. It's going to be a pretty badass truck, you know, once we get this thing done here in, you know, four or 5 more weeks. So I wanted to just give you a quick update and just show you everything that we're putting back in here, and it's pretty exciting build for sure. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. You know, if you like it, you know, please hit subscribe, share the video. I want to do 2 or 3 of these vehicles a year. You know, I think I'm gonna do a mid-40s Ford next after this Chevy. I don't make any money off of this other than when I sell the truck. So everything that you see here, I pay for. I'll make my money back when I sell it. You know, I'm not a monetizer on YouTube. I just do it because it's a lot of fun, and hopefully it inspires somebody, or, you know, something we do shows, you know, you guys how to do something. But if you like it, hit and subscribe, share the video, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. But I appreciate you guys watching the video and being interested.